Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You must act now. Stop taking photos or saving files so the storage isn't overwritten. First, confirm the images were permanently removed from recently deleted. Then, check linked cloud services, iCloud, Google Photos, OneDrive, or any automatic backups. These are often the fastest recovery route. Once done, sign into each service and look in trash or archive folders. Make sure syncing is enabled so remote copies appear. If a backup exists, you'll restore originals rather than attempt risky recovery. Next, download and run a trusted recovery tool compatible with your device. You want a read-only deep scan to detect file fragments without writing to the disk. This preserves chance of full recovery. Follow on-screen steps to scan the affected volume, then preview recoverable photos before restoring. Make sure to export recovered files to an external drive or cloud, not the same storage you scanned. This prevents overwriting other deleted data and lets you verify image integrity safely. Finally, inspect every recovered photo for completeness and then resync them to your cloud or device. If images are partially corrupted, try exporting in different formats or rerunning a scan with another reputable tool. Different algorithms can recover different fragments. If scans return no results, stop further attempts to avoid damage and consult a professional data recovery service. One troubleshooting tip: if scans fail, check for encrypted storage or hardware faults. Address those first before more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.